The monster which the genius of kings had vomited over France has gone back into nothingness. May all the crimes and all the misfortunes of the world disappear with. Armed in turn with the daggers of fanaticism and the poisons of atheism, kings have always conspired to assassinate humanity. If they are able no longer to disfigure divinity by superstition, to associate it with their crimes, they try to banish it from the earth, so that they may reign there alone with crime. O people, fear no more their sacrilegious plots. They can no more snatch the world from the breast of its author than remorse from their own hearts. Unfortunate ones, uplift your eyes toward heaven. Heroes of the fatherland, your generous devotion is not a brilliant madness. If the satellites of tyranny can assassinate you, it is not in their power entirely to destroy you. Man, whoever you are, you can still conceive high thoughts for yourself. You can bind your fleeting life to God and to immortality. Let nature seize all her splendor and wisdom all her empire. The Supreme Being has not been annihilated. It is wisdom above all that our guilty enemies would drive from the Republic. To wisdom alone it is given to strengthen the prosperity of empires. It is for her to guarantee to us the rewards of our courage. Let us be grave and discreet in all our deliberations, as men who are providing for the interests of the world. Let us be ardent and obstinate in our anger against conspiring tyrants, imperturbable in dangers, patient in labors, terrible in striking back, modest and vigilant in successes. Let us be generous toward the good, compassionate with the unfortunate, inexorable with the evil, just toward everyone. Let us not count on an unmixed prosperity, and on triumphs without attacks, nor on all that depends on fortune or the perversity of others. Sole but infallible guarantors of our character, even more than by the strength of our arms. Frenchmen, you war against kings. You are therefore worthy to honor divinity. Being of beings, author of nature, the brutalized slave, the vile instrument of despotism, the perfidious and cruel aristocrat, outrages you by his very invocation of your name. But the defenders of liberty can give themselves up to you and rest with confidence upon your paternal bosom. Being of beings, we need not offer to you unjust prayers. You know your creatures, proceeding from your hands. Their needs do not escape your notice more than their secret thoughts. Hatred of bad faith and tyranny burns in our hearts with love of justice and the fatherland. Our blood flows for the cause of humanity. Behold our prayer. Behold our sacrifices. Behold the worship we offer you.